dear students, so we are going to see the properties of groups or the characteristic of groups. We have already discussed about the periods in our previous lecture. Now children, we are going to discuss about groups. So how many groups are there? There are 18 groups in the vertical columns. Okay, in the vertical columns in the periodic table. Now I have already explained you what does the group number denotes. It denotes the number of the valence electrons. It is equal to the number of the valence electrons. Now what are valence electrons? Valence electrons are the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. Outermost shell of an atom, children. This we have already discussed. So now what is the variation seen in the group that we have to discuss in detail, children? Now children, the first variation is the valence electrons. What variation we have to discuss is about the valence electrons. Now valence electrons are the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom, children. It is present in the outermost shell of an atom. Now let us discuss some these characteristics by taking some example. We have group 1. I am taking example of group 1, taking example of group 2. Okay, now see here. In group 1 we have lithium, we have sodium, and then we have potassium, children. Okay, now what is the atomic number of lithium? Atomic number is 3. For sodium it is 11 and for potassium it is 19. Now the electronic configuration of lithium is 2,1. For sodium it is 2,8,1 and for potassium it is 2,8,8,1. 19 electrons. Yes or no? We have to distribute them. This is the electronic configuration. Now children, when we say valence electrons means electron present in the outermost shell. So this is the outermost shell. Yes or no? Outermost shell में क्या है? Valence electrons है. Now these electrons are how many? 1 each in all the elements of group 1. So here group number is equal to number of the valence electrons. So here we can say group number is equal to number of valence electrons. Okay, let us take the example of group 2. Okay, see here we have beryllium, we have magnesium, and then we have calcium. Because we have to study up till 20, so I am taking only limited examples. So the atomic number of beryllium is 4, magnesium is 12, and calcium is 20. The electronic configuration of these elements is 2,2, 2,8,2, and here it is 2,8,8,2. Yes or no? Now just see here. See, outermost shell is this. Yes or no? Now in the outermost shell how many electrons are there? 2 electrons and belonging to the group 2. So valence electron is equal to group number. Yes or no? Group number is equal to valence electrons. Yes or no? Now just to see the variation further. Variation is that number of shells increases down the group. This is the variation. So see here, the number of shells in lithium is how many? 2. For sodium how many shells are there? 3. K, L, M. For lithium it is K and L. Yes or no? For potassium how many shells are there? 4 shells. K shell, L, M and N. Yes or no? So number of shells is increasing. See here for group 2 also. There are 2 shells for beryllium, 3 shell for magnesium and 4 shell for calcium. So what is increasing? Number of shells are increasing down the group. Yes or no? We are going down the group. Okay, down the group number of shells is increasing. I hope that you are able to understand, children. Now let us see further valency. The next point what we are going to discuss here is about the valency, children. Okay, let us see valency. Now what do you mean by valency? I have already explained you in the previous lecture. It is the combining capacity of an element. It is a combining capacity of an element. So मैंने बताया था metal loses electron, yes or no, then carry positive charge, which are known as cations. नॉन मेटल्स है तो इट विल गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मीन्स दे विल कैरी नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन देम एंड दे आर नोन एज एनायंस. Okay. So students, we have non-metals which will gain electron, carry positive charge, and they are known as anions. Now why we are studying this? Because we have to study about the valency, children. Now see here, valency means metal है तो lose करेगा. So see here, we have sodium. Say we are taking example of lithium. Lithium का atomic number is 3, electronic configuration is 2, 1. So it will lose this 1 electron. So what will be the charge on lithium now? After the loss of 1 electron, lithium will carry. So when lithium loses 1 electron, children, it will form what? Lithium ion, yes or no? So what is the valency of lithium here? Valency of lithium is 1. What is the valency of lithium? 1. Are you getting? Okay, now let us discuss some examples, children. By taking some examples, let us take the example of say we are talking about now groups, yes or no? So in a period, let us take one example. In a period 2 elements, we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, है ना? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is the atomic number. It is the atomic number. Electronic configuration क्या है? 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. ये मैंने कल भी बताया था previous lecture में. So 1, 2 and 3 electrons can be lost. Why they will be lost? To gain nearest noble gas configuration. So इन सबके नियर में कौन है? लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन के नियर में यहाँ पे क्या है? पहले एलिमेंट हीलियम. नाउ फर्दर 4 वाला तो गेन लॉस नहीं करेगा, ठीक है. 5, 6 and 7 cannot lose electron. In this case they will gain electron. They will gain electrons. Now gain electrons means that is only their valency. So how many electrons will be gained by this? Sorry, I have written wrong here. Nitrogen and oxygen. It should be nitrogen and oxygen. So how many electrons? Nitrogen will gain how many electrons? 3. Oxygen will gain 2. Fluorine will gain 1. So what is the charge? -3, -2 and -1. So valency for this element is -3, -2 and -1. So what we are discussing here is about the group only, children. So we have group 1A will have valency 1, group 2A will have valency 2, group 3A will have valency 3, group 4A will have valency 4. Children, we are discussing about the groups, है ना. हमारे पास कितने groups है? Actually we have main 8 groups, है ना. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, then we have 6, 7 and 0 group. So children, group 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 0 group. We are talking about these groups. जब तुम periodic table देखोगे 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A देखना. So here their valency. What is their valency? Their valency is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children. For 5 children it is 3. दिस इज 2, दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 0. समझ में आ रहा है क्या है वैलेंसी. यहाँ पे ग्रुप 4 की 4 ही रहेगी, लेकिन जो एलिमेंट ग्रुप 5th में प्रेजेंट है उसकी वैलेंसी क्या होगी 3, ग्रुप 6 की वैलेंसी क्या होगी 2, और ग्रुप 7 की क्या होगी 1 एंड ग्रुप 0 की क्या होगी 0. ग्रुप 0 इज योर नोबल गैस बिकॉज दे डू नॉट combine with anyone, because they are inert and does not undergo reaction, so hence their valency will be 0. I hope that you are able to understand, children. Now let us discuss about the metallic properties, children. Now metallic properties is that down the group the metallic property increases, children. Okay, let us discuss about the metallic properties in the groups. In the groups, what we are going to see here, the metallic and non-metallic property. Metallic and non-metallic property. So when we go down the group, what is increasing? Metallic character. Metallic character is increasing, and non-metallic character is decreasing. This is the variation what we see down the group. जैसे कि for example we are giving group 4A. We are taking example of group 4A. Children, we have carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Yes or no? Now see here, these two are non-metals. This is a metalloid. Metalloid means what? It has properties of both non-metal as well as metal both. Okay, and these two are purely metals. So what we see, जब हम ग्रुप में नीचे जा रहे हैं तो क्या इंक्रीज हो रहा है? What is increasing? Metallic character. What is decreasing? Non-metallic character is decreasing. I hope that you are able to understand. Now when we move down the group, metallic character increases. तो इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी क्या हो रही है? इंक्रीज हो रही है. अगर मेटालिक कैरेक्टर बढ़ रहा है, अगर वो मेटल है तो उसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज आएगा? पॉजिटिव. सो electropositivity is increasing down the group. Electropositive nature is increasing down the group. What is the nature of the oxides, children? अगर मेटल है, I have told you, if it is a metal and metal का ऑक्साइड फॉर्म है, then it is basic in nature. जैसे कि Li2O, Na2O, K2O, potassium oxide, K2O. These are all metallic oxide. And they are basic in nature. So these are the characteristic of the groups. I hope that you are able to understand. Thank you.